The assistant first needs to place them on the preheating platform of the heating furnace. The aluminum ingots will be heated to 50 degrees. Then, put them into the melting furnace. The steel carbon at the bottom of the heating furnace, combined with a high-power blower, continuously works to quickly melt the 50-kilogram aluminum ingots into molten aluminum. To avoid burns from the high-temperature molten aluminum, when using a small hand crank, a household ladle should be used to pour them while hot into specialized molding molds. The fixed-size molds ensure that the produced aluminum blocks are just the right size for making a fan blade, preventing excessive raw material waste. The shaped aluminum blocks are then placed at the adjacent stacking station. In the blink of an eye, the craftsmen have already pressed the square aluminum blocks into long strips. To ensure the fan blades achieve the best lightweight effect, the long strip aluminum blocks require two craftsmen to work together using an extrusion molding machine, repeatedly pressing and adjusting the mold gap to control the size of the aluminum blocks. The aluminum blocks are pressed to a standard thickness of 0.1 millimeters and then transported to the cutting station. The long strip aluminum blocks are cut into standard sizes for making fan blades using a cutting machine. Although this step looks simple, it is not complicated at all, and only the factory manager and his cousin can handle cutting the aluminum blocks to standard sizes. The assistant then needs to organize them together, allowing more aluminum blocks to be transported at once. Then walk 250 centimeters overnight to the drilling station, placing them where the craftsman can easily reach. To ensure the blades are fixed more securely and reliably, the design also includes drilling holes in those blades. The blades are connected to the fan using screws. As the drilled aluminum blocks accumulate, the molding craftsman on the other side will transport them to the next station. Using a special curved mold on the molding machine, the aluminum blocks undergo another molding process. This not only ensures that the fan blades meet aerodynamic standards, making them more energy efficient when rotating, but also allows the fan to provide greater airflow when rotating. Since the overall thickness of the blades is only 0.1 millimeters, long-term rotation can easily cause breakage at the connection points with the fan. Therefore, the small workshop thoughtfully pre-makes a reinforcing rib at the connection points to enhance the strength of the blades. The reinforcing rib is fixed in place using an anchoring method. At this point, the fan blades made from new aluminum ingots are successfully produced.